Hello, my name is Robin and I'm one of your teachers. Today you're going to learn how to use possessive pronouns and object pronouns. Let's see how Paul and James use them to talk about cars in the ABBA film The House Husband.
These cars are ours.
Whose?
Mine and my wife's.
This one is fantastic. Is it yours?
No, it's hers. The small one is mine.
Her car is much better than yours.
Let's read some sentences from the video. These cars are ours. Mine and my wife's. This one is fantastic. Is it yours? No, it's hers. The small one is mine. Her car is much better than yours. Possessive pronouns. Let's start with possessive pronouns. We use possessive pronouns in place of a noun. Here are the possessive pronouns according to their subject. I, mine, you, yours, he, his, she, hers, it, its, we, ours, you, yours, they, theirs. Possessive pronouns versus possessive adjectives. You learned possessive adjectives in a previous unit. Let's compare them to possessive pronouns. The meaning in both sentences is the same. For example, this is my car. This car is mine. That's her scarf. That scarf is hers. Is that their house? Is that house theirs? Object pronouns. Now that you've learned possessive pronouns, let's move on to object pronouns. Object pronouns function as the object of a verb or preposition. These are the object pronouns according to the subject. Me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Let's see some examples of sentences with object pronouns as the object of a verb. She told them to come in. He asked her a question. My mother gave me a present. In these examples, the object pronouns are the object of a preposition. My mother bought a present for me. Then she gave it to me. Now let's see object pronouns in a real-life example. You just listen to me while I explained this grammar to you. Well, in this class, you have learned how to use possessive pronouns and object pronouns in English. I really wonder why Paul has the small car. Now, keep on working on this unit to perfectly know how to use its grammar and vocabulary in all the linguistic skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Spend all the time you need in each section to make the most out of it so that you will get excellent results in the final assessment. Keep going. Take care. Bye-bye.